Everyone is asking what the next big AI stock will be, what tech should they focus on, and who's going to lead the market next. But the next big AI investment play might not be another tech stock. It could lie in the critical commodities fueling the AI boom, offering protection in a higher inflation world, and grounding the very materials the digital world depends on. I'm Ben Fawcett, Portfolio Manager at CG Wealth Management. In this episode of Connecting the Dots, we're uncovering two powerful forces quietly driving the next bull market in physical assets. We're living through one of the fastest technology expansions in history, and we're seeing the effects of AI's staggering physical appetite firsthand. For the companies building AI, this isn't just an opportunity. It's become an existential race to secure the physical resources they need to survive. Right now, the tech trade is rapidly evolving. The picks and shovels of the AI boom aren't just chips, they're the essential raw materials behind them. The second force is familiar to seasoned commodity investors, but with a critical new twist. Recent headlines from Elon Musk and Doge to Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill show how politically difficult it is to reduce government spending. With record debt levels, governments may be considering another option, quietly allowing inflation to run higher to gradually erode those debt burdens. Imagine if a new Fed chair were appointed, one who prioritized lower interest rates and economic growth, and viewed inflation not as an enemy, but as a strategic tool. In that environment, relying solely on stocks and bonds isn't enough. You need hard assets. Investments that hold their value when paper money doesn't. That means real estate, that means gold, and yes, that means commodities. Remember, commodity markets can be volatile, but that volatility is also what makes them a vital part of a well-diversified portfolio. Because commodities often move independently of stocks and bonds, they can help buffer risk and smooth long-term returns. For Canadian investors, one straightforward way to gain exposure is through the TSX Composite, which holds roughly a third of its weight in energy and materials. And when commodities perform well, the Canadian dollar often strengthens, potentially boosting returns even further. For the past 2 decades, the biggest investment story was about bits, software, cloud computing, and digital innovation. Software was eating the world. But today's world is becoming more physical and more resource constrained. From gold and silver to platinum, copper, and natural gas, commodities are already making their presence felt, powering electrification, infrastructure, and a rising demand for energy. Commodities aren't just back, they may be one of the defining investment themes of the next decade.